Today on Solve It Like a Marketer, how AI is reinventing the 3 C's marketing framework. For decades, marketers have relied on a simple but powerful strategic model known as the 3 C's: customer, competitor, and company. It's one of those classic frameworks that shows up in business schools, marketing textbooks, and strategy meetings around the world. The idea is straightforward. To build a strong strategy, you need to understand 3 things: who your customers are, what your competitors are doing, and what your company is capable of delivering. Where those 3 forces intersect is where competitive advantage lives. But something important has changed. Artificial intelligence is transforming how we analyze each of those 3 areas. The framework itself hasn't disappeared, but the speed, depth, and accuracy of the analysis has dramatically evolved. Let's start with the first C: customer. Traditionally, customer insights came from surveys, focus groups, or market research reports. Those tools still exist, but they often take weeks or months to produce meaningful results. AI changes that dynamic completely. Today, marketers can analyze thousands or even millions of customer signals in real time. Online reviews, social media comments, support tickets, product feedback, browsing behavior, and purchase patterns can all be analyzed instantly. Generative AI tools can summarize trends, detect sentiment, and identify patterns that would take a human team weeks to uncover. Instead of asking, "What do customers say they want?" we can now ask, "What do customers actually feel, and how are their behaviors changing right now?" That shift alone dramatically strengthens the customer side of the 3 C's model. Now let's move to the second C: competitors. In the past, competitive analysis often meant manually reviewing competitor websites, advertisements, or annual reports. It was useful, but it was also slow and incomplete. AI-powered tools can now scan and compare competitor strategies across multiple dimensions: pricing changes, advertising messages, content strategies, SEO performance, product positioning, even tone of voice. Instead of conducting competitive research once or twice a year, companies can now monitor competitors continuously. This transforms competitive strategy from a static snapshot into an ongoing intelligence system. And that allows businesses to respond faster when markets shift. Now let's look at the third C: company. This is where organizations evaluate their own strengths and weaknesses. What capabilities do we have? Where do we outperform competitors? Where are the gaps? Historically, answering these questions relied heavily on internal reports and managerial judgment. But AI can now analyze internal data at a much deeper level: sales performance, customer retention, marketing campaign results, operational efficiency, customer lifetime value. AI systems can identify patterns and opportunities that might otherwise go unnoticed. For example, an AI analysis might reveal that a certain customer segment converts at a much higher rate when exposed to a specific type of messaging, or that a particular product performs unusually well in a certain geographic region. These insights help companies refine their capabilities and allocate resources more effectively. So when we step back and look at the bigger picture, something interesting emerges. The 3 C's framework itself hasn't changed. Customers still matter, competitors still matter, company capabilities still matter. What has changed is the intelligence layer surrounding those 3 elements. AI allows marketers to move from occasional analysis to continuous strategic awareness. Instead of reacting to market changes months later, organizations can respond almost immediately. In other words, the classic frameworks of marketing aren't becoming obsolete. They're becoming more powerful when combined with AI tools. And that's an important lesson for modern marketers. Technology doesn't replace strategic thinking, it amplifies it. The best marketers in the AI era aren't the ones who rely entirely on automation. They're the ones who combine human judgment with machine intelligence. They use AI to gather insights faster, analyze markets deeper, and refine their strategies more precisely. So, if you're building a competitive strategy today, remember this: the 3 C's still form the foundation. But AI has turned that foundation into a real-time strategic engine. And the companies that learn how to combine timeless frameworks with modern technology will be the ones that stay competitive in an increasingly complex marketplace.